Hey guys, what's good? This is Andre and today I want to talk to you guys about Nasdaq and the major indices, and then I want to look at a couple of cash flow wheel plays. Now, on the first one guys, or actually rather before that, thank you so much for all of your likes throughout the last few videos. It's really helping my channel a lot. Being a small channel, every single like of your guys' helps me tremendously. Now, moving on to Nasdaq here guys, we are selling off today. It's pre-market Thursday, the 6th of July, and we are selling off quite aggressively out of nowhere. I suspect that some of the reports that have come out pre-market might have done this to the market, but I really haven't looked into it. What I can say is that we've been signaling out the MACD divergence, bearish divergence. That was also something we noticed on the RSI for quite a few days here, and we kept saying that this starts to look like a double top here for Nasdaq. I don't think we're gonna crash and burn here, just to be extremely clear about that. I would expect to head down over to the maybe 14,700 level on Nasdaq, maybe a little bit lower to 14,300, and then on the Dow Jones I kind of expect this one to go down all the way to maybe 33,700, roughly thereabouts. Again, I don't expect either of these to crash and burn, and I don't think we are going to head back into a bear market by any means. Now, moving on here guys, I want to talk about two different cash flow wheel plays that we took in the Patreon community. We actually sold puts, and for anybody that's not aware, selling puts is a bullish move. It actually means that you're committing to buying 100 shares of a specific stock. Now, we sold put contracts on Peloton when it was testing this area over here at $7, and we stressed this very hard with our subscribers that we are not selling puts for stock appreciation, because that would mean that we are bullish on the stock itself. We weren't. We were just basically capitalizing on a really good opportunity from a technical analysis point of view, and so we were able to make quite a killing on these contracts guys. We were able to generate 12% ROI in just a little bit over a month. From May 25th, we've just closed them out on July 3rd for just a very small amount of cents. If I recall correctly, we closed them out for something like 4 or 5 cents per contract, and we've collected actually 84 cents per contract. So the difference between that guys, roughly $80 per contract in our pockets. A very safe, very easy strategy to play. You just need to be on the lookout for these types of opportunities, or you need to be on our Patreon so we can share them with you guys. Now, the second one that I want to show you guys today and to highlight is the same exact strategy on ChargePoint. Actually, on June 20th, we decided to sell $8 strike price puts on ChargePoint. Initially, we had set these out to be 59 days out, and that meant 10.3% ROI in the 59-day period. That being said, fast forward a few days, the stock appreciated a little bit, and we were able to close these out in just a little bit over a month for 10.3% ROI. We actually closed these out probably a little bit under 10% because we paid back maybe again 4 to 6 cents per contract. So again, we were left with roughly 80 cents per contract, so $80 per contract that we put directly in our pockets guys. Doing the cash flow wheel is a fantastic strategy that anybody has access to. If you have, I believe you need level 2 options in your trader, and guys, it's so easy to understand. You don't ever need to play them for capital appreciation of the underlying. Just play them for the premiums whenever the premiums make sense, whenever the chart is showing you a good technical pattern that's bound to move higher. Please do your best to play it in a safe manner so that you can actually collect the premium and walk away. We are not looking to get assigned. We are not looking at starting this very complicated kind of monthly thing that we are going to be selling covered calls on 15 different times before we can break even. No, we want to take the put option premium that we are selling and run with it basically, and then look for other setups in the future at different times for different stocks. Guys, that's about it for today's video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Again, quick plug, we send a ton of really awesome trade ideas and setups, options, as well as stock, as well as forex, commodities in our Patreon. $15 buys you some of that. $50 buys you most of it. You can cancel anytime, guys, and $15, honestly, you can probably recoup the very first time you take any exposure. So I highly encourage you to check us out, to see what we're up to, and I'm gonna catch you guys around. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Take care.